perform tasks that were traditionally carried out by human workers. Automation can improve productivity, quality, and safety in manufacturing and other industrial applications. Automation technology includes a wide range of tools and technologies, such as robots, numerical control, NC machine tools, programmable logic controllers, PLCs, computer numerical control, CNC, systems, and industrial sensors. Automation systems can be integrated into existing production lines or stand alone and can be used to collect data for preventative maintenance of the equipment. Industrial automation offers a number of benefits over traditional manual labor. Automated facilities can work faster and more accurately than human workers, and they can operate around the clock without tiring and can collect data for monitoring the health status of the equipment and reduce waste. Automation can also help to improve safety in hazardous environments. In recent years, industrial automation has been adopted by a number of industries, including automotive manufacturing, food and beverage processing, pharmaceuticals, and electronics assembly. The trend is expected to continue as companies look for ways to improve efficiency and competitiveness. Industrial automation can make production lines safe and uses logic-based programs to operate machinery and other industrial equipment technologies. The machine makes decisions without any human input based on its programming to unlock the efficiency of your work. IndustLabs provides industrial automation solutions to improve efficiency through automated systems and reduce human operators to your manufacturing process. What can we build for you? Regardless of your industry or industrial automation needs, IndustLabs has the experience and manufacturing facilities to design and build your automation equipment. We have an experienced engineering and quality control team dedicated to providing the best solution to your automation needs. Our manufacturing facility is staffed with experienced engineer technicians, ensuring your automation equipment meets safety and performance criteria. At IndustLabs, we feature a variety of automation solutions. If you have questions regarding any of our products, their function, or applicability to your project, give us a call 972-591-3868 or contact us for information without obligation.